Right.
Where?
Oh yeah. That chips challenge.
Where?
What are you talking about, girl?
Like this one, running and jumping and all.
I got legendary XM8. Girl, come and beat that shit, boy. Come and beat that shit.
P357.
Where you run actually?
Let's go, guys. I got green P357, and we're
Where you
doing
running?
the school game. I think we're gonna game. I think. Open this chest and I get PSG, guys.
Give it to me like you need it, babe. Bro, this house always has one or the other shotgun.
Now take it, and that's good only.
I don't like the shotgun, babes. I just need it. Need some. I need your time. Need your time. And everything's wrong.
Oh my God!
Make it right. Feel so high. Come on.
Suraj is not playing this.
He plays COD, PUBG.
Purple and
Why are you doing PUBG?
Need to be
I like PUBG, but I don't play.
PUBG sucks.
What is PUBG? Show me.
See, PUBG sucks.
PUBG show me.
Sabji. I eat sabji every day.
I'm a sabji.
Show me sabji.
Dal, gobi, tomato,
Show me sabji.
dahi, vada, बैंगन. भूख लगी, खा लो रोटी. Some sabji. I'm a sabji. Dal, gobi, बैंगन. खीर, पनीर, मसाला. भूख लगी, खा ले रोटी. With some sabji. I'm a sabji. Oops, they're shooting nearby.
Guys, I'm gonna do the pistol challenge, I guess. And this is the pistol challenge. Forgot my one pistol here, guys.
Such a third class gun. Bro,
Yeah, we can reboot him, bro. He's here only. Just when we enter the zone, we'll get his reboot card.
I have some this thing. GOG bullets. Anybody wants? I literally have so many GOG bullets. Bro, will reboot him?
I'm gonna reboot him. Okay.
Anybody wants GOG bullets? I'm asking for the last time. I won't give you.
Hey, come reboot him, bro. We have to reboot Najam. Not reboot him, we have to save him. Save him, whatever, save him.
He's in Palmberg.
Who?
Shit, he died.
Who died?
It's okay.
Who died? Who died?
Najam.
Nihal, pick me up. Nikhil, pick me up. Bot.
What pick me up? I don't even
I'm right behind you, bro.
I'm not fine.
You're skating?
Yeah.
Same here.
What is this farting about? Farting about?
The car sound.
Take another shot.
You guys collect that guy's reboot card. I'll be in the reboot place. Yeah. You go in.
Oh shit.
Stop screaming, bro.
Shit, bro.
What is the ultimate game? You should destroy everybody.
Yeah, we have to win the game. Everybody should die and we should be the last one standing. Then there are still 53 people left over there.
They all should die.
Huh? All should die. Then we'll win the game. We have to kill them, or sometimes they will get killed like by other people. Jaldi Nikhil, collect it.
It's not that far, it's here only.
Then jaldi collect, bro. I'm near the reboot
Bro, there
place.
is a reboot card near where he died. You come.
No,
Bro, there's actually a reboot card where near he died. Just see on the map.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
then
come
I'll
into
drive.
the
Oh
zone
my
and you come
gosh,
in.
the zone is killing me.
Exactly. you should
So
do it.
close. Oh my gosh, run away. Oh my gosh.
He didn't kill you?
No, I didn't kill me.
Nikhil, you collect this thing. I'll stand near the
Who
reboot
killed
card.
him, no?
Someone just threw water.
Why you didn't kill him?
Nikhil, I'm standing near the reboot card. Okay, I'll go and
Why
stand.
you didn't kill him? Why you didn't kill him?
See here, there's a reboot card.
Rebooted him.
No, wait. Broski.
Shooting me.
See here.
Died.
Reboot. No, my scooter is cool. Let's go, my scooter. Let's go.
Done.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going? You on the road, no?
No, I'm going to kill. Nikhil, sit in my scooty.
Wait, let me also come.
This car coming this way. Shit, there's a pro guy in the car.
Died.
Oh my god, I almost died. I got out of the car, no. Out of the zone.
Even out of the zone. What's wrong with
He
him?
went 4, he went there. We rebooted him here, he went outside.
Where is the car, man? Nikhil?
Here, this Aurora drop. In where there is an missing in Papa there is an Aurora drop.
Yeah, they didn't open also. Come, let's open.
Bro, don't go. Bro, stay there.
What do you got? You have an anime ammo, can you give me? I'm doing pistol challenge. Let's do some
Swimming
pistol
pool,
challenge, guys.
Oh, there's AK-47.
Just
Anyone wants
see
to
the
take?
game. Why do you want to talk so much?
Swimming pool?
See the game, don't talk so much.
Okay, yeah, what's
I have to know what is.
Give, Nikhil, give. Give all pistol bullets, give.
Okay.
Take.
Bro, come into the zone first.
Thanks. Take blue pistol.
Bro, come into the
Take blue
zone.
Thanks. I already have 2 blue pistols, another one came. I have one purple one also.
You're doing golf pistol challenge.
Yeah, pistol. Full pistol only everywhere. Now jump. Here, he came back. He came inside.
How the hell did he come?
Bro, for today, you have the bricks, Nihal?
What bricks?
How many bricks you have?
I don't know how to say that.
Bricks.
Bricks on top.
690.
90.
690.
600.
90. Okay, means you took the Aurora drop bricks. You throw grenades, okay? Because I have some grenades. Wow! He also has the same dress like me. I took his dress only. And we were twins now.
Can you come inside the zone?
I had a district there.
Bro, there's pizza. There's someone in
Simply. I'm
Bro,
on
there's someone in
bricks.
someone in come
Oh my
fast.
gosh, Natty is in danger. There's
Fast.
Natty, stop screaming. You just jump and you move that side. We are very far from you.
Just come inside fast.
Nikhil, scooty, Nikhil, scooty.
Broski.
Why you run away?
Ah, see. Who is this?
Sit in the car, Nikhil.
Okay, yeah, go. Everybody came now.
Where Ashu?
Where are you all?
Here.
Where Ashu, right?
Where? Oh, by the way, I psyched you all.
I knew it. That's why I just.
Seeing
Now
nobody
we're all
there.
inside the zone.
She is hiding.
Simply fooling around.
Where is she?
See the way here? She's alive. Look. Look there. That girl. See that running there? That girl.
Psych, you told me.
This one?
What, is that an airstrike?
Yeah, and Najam. I'm taking Najam.
That
Bro,
one,
come
eh?
inside the zone, bro. Otherwise I'll prank you all again.
Bro, why did you make it up, bro?
Just come into this room, bro.
Bro, someone's here. I'm serious. There's yellow dots here.
Why you go there, man, every time?
Come go into the zone. What's this? Diamonds there? What's that diamond there? What's that diamond there?
I don't
On
know.
the map. On the map.
On the map.
This
Diamond is an airdrop.
No, let's try some more.
Najam is gone to the airdrop, bro.
Oh my god. Put your scopes on the thing, near the
Airdrops.
airdrop, yeah. So the guy comes.
Najam already went to that airdrop. Why to put scope? He took also. Just stay over here and camp, bro. Our full squad is left out. And just keeps camping like we just keep jumping away. Let's collect loot, bro. Let's collect some trees or something.
So much bits.
Bricks you collect that. Yes.
How do you want to collect?
All these bamboo trees are over here. Bamboo like trees over here. Somebody shooting me.
How do you shoot?
I'm not shooting.
I will shoot.
Break this thing in, Natty.
Okay, it's all break.
It can break, bro.
Hey! Someone's actually shooting us!
Stop, bro. Yeah.
The noob. I was just in front.
Psych you.
I was just in front of her and shooting my destructor, and they were like, somebody shooting.
Where is Nihal gone?
I'm gone now. So noob, don't break the boost so much times.
Baboosh so much times. Baboosh so
Yeah,
much.
can you come with me to this thing? Wind altar.
Yeah, I'll come, Nikhil. I'll come with you. Guys, we are the home.
Wind altar is there, bro.
Yeah, in this zone, but.
Okay, come. I have a springboard. We'll go there.
No need.
Okay, you make.
No need. Don't waste it.
Better, bro. We'll make springboard.
No, Nihal. Don't be the bad boy. Bad boy. I'm a bad boy.
Oh my god, we can't even reach Nikhil.
Then reach nearby.
I'm taking the airdrop over here, okay? You go direct to the wind altar.
Where are you guys going? I'm so far from you guys.
Arey, yaar, such a kachra gun. This thing.
Najam was knocked.
Knock.
He's here only, right?
He's a boss.
He ran away, bro.
No, someone's
somewhere.
shooting. Come down.
You.
Yeah, someone's shooting. I
can't.
swear to God, bro. I swear to God, please come.
You don't psych here and there, huh?
I swear that I yell. Can't you see yellow signs?
He didn't even shoot me also. What is this? Nikhil, where is Nikhil going? I'm lucky, bro. I put a dismantle bot there. He's giving me bricks. Hey, another guy is there. Natty, watch out.
Shit.
Killed her also.
Man, the zone is coming. I don't know how to climb this mountain. Nikhil, help me, Nihal, help me. I don't know how to climb this mountain.
Oh my god, you guys,
Just
man.
please, yaar, man, Nihal.
You are where? You come this side of this thing. Yeah, full you come and come. Why you going there and all? Simply.
How you help me, Nihal? My HP is going.
Stop now. I'm not gonna help. Too much is gonna join, bro. There. How to help also, bro? You come here like that. Simply ran behind the mountain for what? I don't know.
To come to you both.
Bro, we were not even there, bro.
There's someone there.
Where? No, that's my dismantle bot. That's my dismantle bot, man. Failure.
Sorry.
Oh my god, Najam died, no? I can't think so. We're gonna.
You can reboot him, bro. Just take his reboot card.
How can we reboot, bro? There's nowhere near. Eden Mines also is over. And Palmbug is also over. Only Teddy Land, wherever there is one.
Oh man, that's very far also.
Maybe he'll be spectating us now.
Spectating? Spectating or spectating?
Now coming to you. I got the altar. I'm coming straight to you, bro. Look at this.
Bro, where are you both?
I didn't park you. Oh yeah, I came here. Daddy, look, I'm here.
On top of the house.
Where?
On top of the house. Oh my gosh.
I need some.
Sorry, dismantle bot. You're gonna die in some time because of this natty only.
What? I didn't do shit.
12, 11. See, man, dismantle bot is going.
I'm saving him.
Kiss him
I'm
goodbye.
saving him.
What you will do saving him? Go.
What you will do saving him? Go.
Oh my god, there's a guy.
Bro, we can have the chance for us coming first.
Finish, my dismantle bot went.
Where is the guy?
He's near there in the houses, okay? Don't go down. No, fall down. No, you'll die. He'll come. Definitely, he'll come for the this thing.
Airdrop, that time I'll
Airdrop.
snipe
That time you kill him. Or snipe him. No need of sniping him.
No, I have legendary over here.
Even I have legendary excellent.
Okay, when I will tell shoot, no, everybody shoot at him. That's then all three will go
I
together.
can't even see him till now.
Okay, now when I'm telling when he
Whoa.
what the heck? Who's shooting?
No, that's a girl shooting her. One girl who entered the house. One girl shooting her. That girl will come.
What if I fall from this mountain, guys?
You will die.
Let's go down, bro. Better.
No need, no need.
Let's go down.
No need.
Zone is coming.
No need, chill out.
Bro, zone is coming, bro. Literally, we can't stay up over here.
Okay, let's go.
I reached down also.
How did you go down?
Come from no. Now you know your people are stay up only there.
How did you go down this time?
Come, Nani.
From where?
No, follow Nikhil. Follow
Where's
Nikhil.
Nikhil? Skateboard?
Oh shit! Come fast, you guys. Come fast. Nikhil champ, come fast.
Bro, how do I skate from here?
Go down. Now you have to go through this thing. You are wasting time, no.
That's all, wasting time.
Easily you could have entered. Oh my god, Nikhil here. She's here.
Don't move.
She's over here, bro.
Bend on. She's over here. She saw you, man.
She didn't see me. She not see me, bro. I only saw her.
I went to the bush near it.
Is someone parachuting?
Yeah, where is entering?
That's won't enter, bro.
Yeah, he's over there. He'll snipe you always. He'll snipe us all, bro.
Bro, let's go.
He's up there.
He's there.
When he comes near to you, throw bombs.
Yeah, he's near me.
Why do you go up there?
I killed him 50. Oh my god.
Throw bombs, Natty.
Oh,
Throw bombs, Natty.
killed him. Yes, killed him.
Okay, Natty, Nikhil, move from there. So I'm throwing bombs.
Hey, chill. Hey, no, enough. I killed him. Yeah, come take so much bricks, bro. Freaking will be rich. Bro, rich, bro. Look.
Take care of this thing. Nikhil, I have some bullets of this thing, bro. Come. Gog bullets.
I have 1,000, bro. 1,000.
Yeah, then give me no, please.
What?
And I know ammo.
Take. Full. Full, bro. 999 I have. For you, full will be. Come here. It's over here.
Oh, sorry. I was falling Natty.
I don't know how we killed him, bro. How you killed him?
Bro, take the supply drop fast. To enter the zone, Nikhil. Take the supply drop.
What? Let me make a wish. I'm having work suit. Look, I have work suit. Look, nice, no? Take that suit, Nihal. Take that suit.
Chucky, let's go.
Bro, zone, I swear.
I got a work suit in the thing, blessing.
Oh, come, bro. One guy to kill. Natty, kit up.
Not one guy.
Why
Okay,
me?
okay.
Natty, kit up, bro.
Okay.
It's the teammate, man, I guess.
That's what I also kill everybody. Oh, that's a SMG over there. Nikhil, kill it.
Oh, no. It's over there. She's in the base. She's in the blue base. She's sniping you. She's sniping.
Oh. Where is it?
Bomb is coming.
Oh, there. Are you talking about that place?
The blue base.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Killed her.
Yes. Let's go.
Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's see the MVP.
MVP.
Is this girl, guys? Let's leave.
Let's go.
Okay, another.
And
Thank you
3
for seeing the video.
video. Thank you,
Subscribe and
video.
like.
Subscribe the channel and see you next video. Bye. Tell them goodbye.